Hello everyone, this is Action Points here, and today I'm going to be unboxing a full case of the new Mishka Dunny series. This series was just recently released March 11th. A big thanks to Kidrobot for supplying this case of Dunny figures. I'm really liking their box design, and it's keeping with their brand and distinct style. The bold colors are very eye-catching. I hope to get a few of these blacked out figures in this case. Which ones do you hope to see? Let's get started and find out what's in the box. I'll be opening from the back left corner of the case and working my way towards the front row. I'll be displaying all the figures equipped with their accessories at the end of the video. First up, it looks like we have QP Adder by the artist L'Amour Supreme. Nice, subtle, creepy expression, and I'm digging the maggot details on the back. Looks like it comes with a noose for its accessory. We have the Destroy camo by Mishka next. It's hard to see clearly, but it looks like there's a fuchsia cyclops skull shape under some of the camo details. This guy comes with a tiny camo painted knife. And looks like a second Destroy camo by Mishka. Yes! I was really hoping to get this Keep Watch by L'Amour Supreme Dunny figure. I'm ranking this in my top favorites for the moment. Really nice design. And that back detail? Excellent. He also comes with a bloody cleaver. Death Adder by Mishka makes an appearance. I am a huge fan of this design, and this might give Keep Watch a run for his money as my current favorite. This guy comes with an eyeball on a pike. Oh, this bag feels heavier. Okay, who likes creepy clowns? This looks like another Mishka design. Once again, really nice color palette. He does not come with an accessory, or at least I'm gonna say the hair is the accessory, as the sculpting on this is spot on. He is a little bit top heavy though, so watch out. Eye on a pike? Death Adder strikes again. And we have Eyes on KW by Maurice Blanco. Nice melting style, and I appreciate how all the eyes are looking different directions. Our accessory is an eye staff. Ooh, Shiva. She is designed by Stefan Mays Georges, and I was really hoping she'd show up in this case. Really great details all over the figure, and I'm a big fan of her snake ears. Her accessory is a tiny, shrunken head. Alright, had to rearrange as a few decided to fall over, and of course I needed to make room for the rest of the case. Yes, this was another figure I was hoping to get. Kill with Power by L'Amour Supreme. Real nice skeleton paint job, looks to be glow in the dark, we'll check that later, and a really fun eye design on the back of his head. For his accessory, we have a tiny torch on fire. Look at this. Mishka by Mikhail Bordenik. Cute pink cheeks, sneaky side glance, and a chunk missing from the ear. Must be made out of chocolate. No accessory for this one, as it has that custom ear sculpt. This looks like Doopy Dunny by Dane Thompson. Really solid design and clean lines. I'm a fan of the split colors and looks. Hey, brains on the back? Perfect. His accessory is a broom with green goo. Nice touch. What's this? I Don't Need Society by Ray Martinez? He's got a great expression, and I appreciate that rat on the back. What a wicked overall look. He comes with this huge hammer just in case society gets in the way. Here is Psycho 78 by Maurice Blanco. Really great colors. I love the eye and teeth. And yes, brains and maggots on the back? His accessory is a tiny, slightly bloody switchblade knife. Oh, I think I recognize these brains. Looks like the second Psycho 78. I think these colors just work really well together. And the second knife. I think this one must be Keep Watch by Mishka. I'm liking the eyes on the end of the ears. The accessory is a huge eyeball on a vein, tendon, blood stick. Alright, last 4 boxes. Any guesses who they'll be? I definitely can guess who this one is. Looks like the second iZone KW. This is just a fun figure for sure. Really digging this yellow. Ah, This looks like Super Soldier by L'Amour Supreme. Really great details and design on this little guy. Great expression too. For an accessory, you get your own miniature AK-47. Last box, any guesses? We have our second Super Soldier. And gun. Time for an overview. I think my top 3 favorites would have to be Kill with Power, Death Adder, and Shiva. Keep Watch gets an honorable mention for being awesome as well. Who can say no to a bloody cleaver? Here they are arranged on where they came out of the case. Overall, I think the Mishka and Kidrobot did a fantastic job on this series. And one quick shot of Kill with Power all glowing. So tell me, which are your favorites? Like and comment below and let me know who you would want to pull out of a blind box. Thanks for watching, and this is Action Points. Till next time.